The US dollar just got a massive upgrade. In 2026, stablecoins aren't just for trading, they're programmable code. 1. Streaming payroll. Forget payday. In 2026, employees get paid per second directly to their wallets as they work. 2. AI to AI commerce. Your AI agents now have their own wallets to pay for their own GPU power and data, no humans involved. 3. RWA Escrow. Real-world assets use stablecoins for just-in-time settlement. No ship moves until the code confirms the funds. 4. Zero-fee remittance. Instant local currency swaps. Move millions at 2 a.m. on a Sunday with zero bank delays. 5. JIT Treasury. Corporations no longer keep idle cash. Every dollar is working, every second. The programmable dollar is here. Is your business ready? Build your Web3 infrastructure with Maticz.